just so I get accurate. Salt. Okay. Let's see.
That's okay.
Do we have a special for each one?
What do you mean?
We have one for Green Room Special Ski and Screen, which we don't really. Do we need both?
No,
we just
just
need
remove
one,
the
right?
ski off of it, and then it could just be Green Room Special. You can use it for both. But the board one has an option for bindings, which the ski one doesn't. So
Yeah,
not that we
that's
need
right.
it, but like it helps.
I guess it'd be. I guess we should just keep it then, right?
Yeah,
You can just fix it right now.
as long as we delete the other one or something.
So I mean, we could have both buttons call the same thing essentially. We could also create a second one that specifies that it's a board. It wouldn't take but a moment to whip something like that up if that's what you prefer.
You have that on
Yeah,
there now.
it's already
It
on
says
there.
Green Room Special Board and then Green Room Special Ski. Which I'm not seeing it in here, but it's on the buttons.
Yeah, so I think what we need to do is
I think it's that one right there that you're highlighting.
Yeah, let's change this one
Why
to.
does it say? It says the old way instead of both.
This is the correct $50 is the price.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what we're gonna do here. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do is we're just going to duplicate it. Make this same pickup data. That looks good. Just like that. Now, auto assigns there. So now if we go ahead and assign that, it's going to come up and ask the same questions.
Okay, cool.
But it's not asking. The problem is you click on the board again.
Yep.
It's not asking for the binding.
Was it
Let's
before?
add that field.
For Green Rooms,
That'll
it's
take but a moment. Let's see, okay, we do have.
Yeah, binding.
Which binding do we want? The angles? Do we want?
I think
I guess
it's the angle.
yeah, angles.
It's the angle. It's not type of binding. It's the angle.
Well,
we
if you
want
could
the
do
angles.
both,
Okay,
that'd be good.
that we can add.
Really?
Yeah, because we just put TOB and we'll take off bindings. That works.
Oh, okay, that's what it's for.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if they
Can I ask what does a green room special get you? What all does that include?
It's a base grind, edge tune, and wax, but we've started generally taking the bindings off the boards before we take them in. But it's good to write their angles down in case they bring them back in to mount, or if they,
For sure.
we've had people bring in boards where they Loctited their bindings in. There's no way to take them off. So if that's the case, then we could write it down on there or whatever.
Yeah, I used to do it with like a little wax pencil and just trace the outside of the binding.
That's what we do.
We do that as well. It helps to have it on the ticket too.
Oh yeah, for sure. Why am I not seeing? Okay, I'm missing here.
Absolutely. If you need it, I highly recommend go ride it first. 9 times out of 10, it's just going to break it on its own after a few days. If it's still like kind of pinchy, that's what you would bring it in. It's just you don't want to.
Is that not coming up? We got one. Do you want both? I guess.
No, it's just
both fields.
yeah. What it is, right angle binding and then left. Then there was another one that you had there. It's like left, right?
Great.
There we go.
Perfect.
That's good.
Okay.
Now No,
I have one other problem for you. When I use the remount, the remount charge up here, when I go to test it in the machine, for some reason it never transfers over the
The calibration info.
information on like the actual materials. So like you can type in ski brand, the bindings, the boots, whatever. When we go into the actual testing machine, for some reason it never carries it over, and I end up having to rewrite it as a flat mount.
Let's see, 8258. I bet. Now what's going on?
it's awesome. So nobody else does this.
There it is.
Oh, wow.
That little box has to be checked so it knows to send the data.
Got it. Wow,
He's awesome.
that's been
Sweet.
plaguing me for a minute. So
You know, so are we still? So what I was showed me yesterday was, God, what was it? Was it base side and sharpening or grind? Do you know about that? It
no.
was showing
Oh,
like a
that's the one.
5% off automatically or something.
Oh,
It wasn't coming up as a price.
Yes. So when you click, there's a couple. Like when you do epoxy work, it always comes up at a start at like 8.8% tax or something like that. You have to manually select it and turn it off. Or it might be rail damage if it's not that one.
There was something edge and grind.
It's
or-
something like that. Well, edge and grind we don't really do as like its own charge.
There was also, wasn't it in the epoxy that we can't change the price?
Yeah, I think it might be side and base work.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe it was that.
I think
one.
it's side and base work that has the problem where the tax is automatically put on.
Okay, stop me if I go past it. There it
There
is.
it is. Is that it?
So is this something you want to be more of a quote
Yes.
rather than?
Yes.
So what
Yes.
we'll do is we'll actually zero that out.
Okay. So you put your own price.
Yeah.
In. Yeah.
Put price so that way, because that's more of like there's side and base work, and then there's somebody who's run over a rock and taken 6 inches of P-Tex out of their base of their
Definitely.
ski, or ripped an edge fully off. So I imagine the variance in that is pretty wide.
Definitely. Would you possibly be able to do the same for epoxy work? And I think there might be. I think it's called edge repair or something like that.
Yeah, just leave it blank so we can.
Rail damage. That's what it is.
It's still up.
Yeah, there you go.
And then what was the other one? Rail.
I think it's rail damage. Yeah.
We'll probably want to zero this out. And then, this
that
is
one had the
definitely
tax.
because there's no tax on tomb work in California, right?
Yeah,
No.
no.
Same in Colorado and Oregon as well. Sweet. Anything
Great.
else that's been bugging you guys?
This should be a quick one, and if you could show me how to do it, I could probably take care of the rest for myself.
Yeah.
But how do you modify like the colors and the ordering of the buttons?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
He kind of showed me that.
I'm actually going to drop you a document to use because it's. I think everybody should have access to this document. It's pretty. It's easy to do, but it's also easy to.
It's hard to find some Wintersteiger documents online.
Yeah, we've got a handful. They're not really online. This one is something I like to share with a lot of people. It's something Nikki made. But this is kind of my Bible for quick bars. They are,
Oh, great.
the best way to customize the system to how you use it. So use this as a reference, but it's all going to be to just give you a quick and dirty tour. System, quick bar. And the one rule that I'll give you is if you're experimenting, you can actually copy a bar. So what I recommend is copy a bar before you change it. Change whatever you need to change and test that change. before you just, so that the integrity of the original bar is still there, just in case something happens.
Okay.
There's kind of a touchstone to go back to. So it looks like I may have done that, or somebody had done that for tunes. But you could do, if we wanted to create a test season bar, you just hit this copy button. It creates another one for you, and you can use that to, kind of mess around with. And then once you know it's for sure, you can reassign it. The one other hard rule I like to add is if you have something in the barcode field, you should not have anything in this field, and vice versa. This is used to call a barcode or a scan code within the system. This is used to nest another menu within a button. And that is the number one mistake I see people make, is they will put in a code up here, and they'll be like, oh, this is on the season leases bar. We'll put in season leases so it knows which quick bar it's on. That's actually trying to call the quick bar. So it'll either one, just pull up another iteration of the quick bar you're already using, or it just won't function at all. So just keep that in mind. And other than that, if you want to assign a specific quick bar to a layout, you can come in here and see which computers are using which layout. So for here, GR Snow, that's our service layout. Say we wanted to use that other tunes bar, all I have to do is come in here and switch it to tunes 1. So that's the quick bar that's going to open by default anytime you open that layout. So just good to keep in mind.
Great. Thanks so much, Ben.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. My
Huge
pleasure.
help.
Anything,
Especially with the testing.
I don't think so, no.
Sweet. Well, yeah, guys, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here for you whenever you guys need it.
Well,
And
do all of our
hopefully we all start
logins
getting
allow
some
us
snow
to
soon.
do that? Or it's just one administrator?
Thanks so much, Ben.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Dude,
Hey,
that
Ben.
was huge, man. I really appreciate all the help you've always given us, man.
Hey, wait. One question, Ben. Is that is there only one administrator login ID to be able to do all these changes, or do all of us have the ability to do that?